Hello everyone, my name is Fazal. You are watching MFA Civil Engineering. The process of removing a stone from a natural rock bed is called as a quarrying of stones. The process of removing stones depend on the mode of occurrence, strength, hardness, and shape of a desirable products. Depend on the nature of a rock bed and the purpose. The stones can be removed by digging, heating, wedging, and the blastings. Digging method is adopted when the quarrying consists of a small and the soft piece of a stones. It is done with the help of the tools like a pickaxe, hammer and the crowbars. Heating method is used when the natural rock bed is a horizontal and a small in a thickness. When the rock is exposed to the high temperature, crack is developed and the stones are split up into a small pieces. Wedging method is used to remove a stone from a hard rock consists of a natural fissure or a crack. When the fissure are absent in a rock bed, then the artificial fissure is made with the help of the drilling. The stones like a marble, granite, limestone, laterites are removed with the help of the wedging. It is done with the help of the tools like a steel wedge, wooden plug, conical steel pin, feather, pneumatic drill. When the rock consists of a fissure, then the rocks are split up into a small pieces by inserting a steel wedge or a conical steel pin inside the fissure by the hammering. And when the fissure is absent in a rock bed, then the artificial fissure is formed by making a drill hole at a regular short interval in an appropriate direction, and then by placing a feather and the plunger inside the hole, and by hammering at the top of the plunger, the artificial crack is developed and the rock are split up into a small pieces. Blasting method is used when the rock are very hard, compacted and the fissureless. Then it is very difficult to remove the stone by the method of heating and the wedging. That time the method of blasting with the help of the explosive is preferably employed so as to convert the rock mass into the small piece of a stone. The blasting process consists of a various operations like drilling a hole, charging, tamping and then firing. Holes are drilled manually with the help of the drill machine at a requireable depth. Once the drilling of hole is completed, then the holes are cleaned and allowed to dry. Then the charging of holes is done by placing a explosive material inside the hole with their fuse. The explosive material may be a gunpowder or dynamite or a blasting gelatin. Then the remaining portion of a hole is filled with the clay or a ash. Then it is compacted with the help of the tamping bar. At the time of a tamping, one end of a fuse should be at the bottom of the hole completely merged in the explosive powder, and the other end should be out from the hole so that it becomes easy for the firing. The free end of a fuse is finally fired either with the match or electricity. When the dynamite is used as explosive, then the detonator are used for the firing.